Good day, guys. We are back with another YouTube video of our top-down analysis series. So if you are seeing this video, that means it's a new week. And we are continuing, guys, with the journey. Without wasting any time, let's remember what we do. What we do is that we are trading structure. Look for a buy, going up. If we are selling, going down. That's what we do here. And we believe that this thing happens in each and every time frame. And it's up to us to spot the opportunities. Okay. Based on monthly range, we are in a downward trend. So what are we waiting for? Waiting for a retracement. Then we look for a sell. This is the sell based on this range. Based on this range. This is the retracement. Then we are looking to sell this. Based on weekly, we have a low, we have a high, waiting for confirmation, we are buying. Based on daily, we have a high, waiting for confirmation, then we are selling. H4, we have a high, a retracement, we might sell from here or from above here, or it could be a deep retracement. We don't know. H1 range. From the beginning of the week, it was like this. We wanted to sell. We were selling this week. Let's see how the trades went. We had losses. So we sold here, it went down, took us out. We sold there, it went down, it took us out again. So remember, I told you that if you use this maybe as your break even, it could save you from potential losses. You understand? So the structure is now like this. So I want to sell maybe from these areas. We just have to see if the market is going to give us a sell or not. Jumping into GU, monthly range is also bearish. Monthly range is also bearish. We want to sell. Weekly range, this is the confirmation entry. So I want to sell it like this. So weekly range is, however, still bullish, waiting for confirmation. Then we are buying. Daily, we might see something like this. Let's say H4 is bearish, so we're waiting for confirmation, then we are selling. H1 from the beginning of the week. Remember, last time the price was here. From the beginning of the week, we were selling. Here we sold. Remember when we sold here, that's when the price was here, when the last I did the video, then the price did that. Then it gave us another a range from like this. Then we sold again here. Then what happened this week? Okay, it did something like this. Then we wanted to sell from here. It never gave us a setup because we were waiting for it to break this while it was here. Then it violated this. So now the range is like, I want to see buys. Okay. USD CAD, USD CAD. Okay, monthly. Monthly, the range, want to see a sell. And weekly, we had a trade, and we are still up. It hasn't touched our stop loss yet. However, we'll just see if it wants to do this or it just continues to go up. Understand? And weekly, remember, weekly didn't even confirm. And this one, on the first video, I explained here what's happening with the range might be like this. Understand? However, when I saw this, for me, this was the range. Understand? So it's fine. Let's jump into daily range. Daily range is still bullish, like we want to see this. And H4 is like this. We want to see something like this. H1 still bullish. Still bullish. I think last week we were here. Last week the price was still here, and we did say that, oh yeah, we were in this buy and price was around these areas. Yeah, it completed that trade. It completed that trade based on H4 and based on H1 structure. Remember, we were here. Let's go to this was a beautiful week for this person. Remember, the price was here. Instead, we wanted to see the price go up to this because of H4. So H4, if we could have entered here and targeted this based on higher time frame because they are pointing in the same direction, this could be like money ticket here. This kind of entries, because now the reward becomes higher now. Percentage wise, the reward becomes higher because if you risk 1% here and you get 10 here, that's a good return. That's a good return. Okay, then we have this range. We had this range also gave us an entry. Then we had another range like this. Then it gave us an entry. And this one we did miss. We missed it. We missed it. This one we were expecting for the price to come all the way here. However, it didn't. So it's a miss. It's a miss. And so there's no trade there. So let's go to this one. USD Japanese. On monthly, we still want to see price going up on this one. Weekly, we want to see the price going down. Daily, we want to see the price going up. Want to see something like that. And H4, we're still up on H4. We still want to see price going up. something like this. H1 is being bullish. H1 is being bullish. Remember last week, like this. So it went down. Now we said we wanted to see it go up. It did go up, It did go up. And let's see the trades for this week. Okay, that was the first one. Okay, here, you saw this one last week. Then give us another one here. Yeah, give us another one here. And went up here. See again, after taking the high entry. Then again here. QML. See, yeah. So we don't know. We don't know what's gonna happen. We want to see that weekly. We want to see that daily. We want to see that H4. We want to see a sell. H1. We want to see something like this. However, we didn't even catch any of these cells. We missed all of them. See, this was the beginning of the week. The market, we wanted to buy, never gave us anything. Then we wanted to sell from this QML. Remember QML? However, price reacted from this QML. I didn't know. Now I know. And it went down. And wanted to sell QML. And price never went there. Said Nana. So these are the mistrades. These are the mistrades. Even this one, it gave her a second confirmation after it has taken this low. So remember, I said after taking this low, I no longer like be interested. Go to US tech. This one showed me flames this week, and we are up based on monthly. So I want to be buying. That's why smaller time frame is buying like this, because higher time frames are bullish. And based on weekly, this was the low, high, low. They're still looking to take that high. So on smaller time frame, like 4 hour, what we need to be buying. So based on daily, I think we had something like this, this, and this. I think so. I think so. Let's see daily structure. Yeah, we did, but I didn't get any entry. Yeah, I didn't get any entry. Yeah, because it went like, I think this was the liquidity. This low was the liquidity. Then it never gave me any liquidity, like anything to buy on, to base my buy on. So that's why I didn't take it. And H4 was a bit tricky for me, because remember here it was like this for me. Then I was waiting for it to give me a buy entry. However, it it was creating, I think, liquidity for daily POI. So then the range went from to be bearish. So here I was looking for a sell. It never gave me any setup. So it violated that. I was like, okay, it's cool. And now I'm bullish. So I expect something like this. Then each one is like this. So I expect it to be something like this. So from last week, this was the beginning of the week. Remember, I was inside this trade somewhere here. And yeah, it went. The following week, it went. And I think until Tuesday. Yeah, Tuesday, when it hit my stop loss, I was sleeping. Like I slept early. Like then in the morning, I saw it like London session. I saw it flew all the way down. I was like, hey man, this thing, it took me out and it went down. Come on, man. Yeah. However, we had another range. Here you see, it was a bad week for me for long anyway. Entered here, it went down again. Then again, it violated that range. So now we expecting the market to open. And if it's giving us a range, like maybe up until this lows, maybe, then I'm looking for a buy. Then I'm looking for a buy. However, all we have to do is just to wait and wait. Sometimes you wait for a loss. Uh, here, this is more of an uptrend situation. So it's super bullish. So you want to see this daily low, high, low, high. So we want to see continuation because we are in an uptrend. That's the only reason. And okay, and H4, it's like this was the low, high, retracement. I don't think it gave me a setup here. Yeah, but I see this one was a QML. See, this one was a one. QML. However, I didn't enter because it never gave me what I want. So H4, currently H4 is like, oh yeah, H4 is the one that is continuing up. H1 is like this now. If this now maybe comes to mitigate here, if I buy here, I can target this high, a higher high, and I can also target this because H4 is bullish and H1 is bullish. You understand? So this one, a retracement, I'm going long. When you understand structure, things becomes much more simpler. So let's see how the week went. I didn't get any trade. Yeah, I remember here, this was the range. I didn't get any trade here. Then price did something like this. I was waiting for this to be taken out. Then price never gave me anything. And let's see. H1 now is like, yeah, H1 was like this for me. So I waited for price to do something like this. Then I wanted to wait for a break of structure here, then sell like this. However, it never gave me an entry above here. So, and it did this. So my market shifted from being bearish to being bullish. So now I want to buy. I love this pair. That's what we are waiting for. That's what we are waiting for. Daily. That's what we are waiting for. Okay, now this is no longer an H4 low. It's a daily low. It's a daily high. Okay, H4 range is like this. So now we want to be buying. So we want to be buying, and also QML, QML. So we don't know, maybe it might start by doing this, or maybe we are we are wrong because now we have a daily structure. Remember, which one is gonna be countering this is this structure. So it can do this. We can do that, and going to 15 minutes. Since this week we didn't get any trade. Yeah, this week this one I couldn't catch it, and this one we are waiting for something like this, because this it might be like a strong resistant, you know. You never know. So we wait. This one we are bullish on monthly. We want to see something like that. Weekly, we are bullish on weekly. We want to see something like that. And daily, we are bullish on daily. We want to see something like that. H4, we are bullish on H4. What's going on? Okay. We want to see something like that. Yeah, something like that. And H1. This trade is based on H4. Understand? Remember on H4 we are bullish. So what happened was that now this was the liquidity and we were waiting for a confirmation. Then we bought. You understand? Then H1 is like this now. H1 is like this. So we are selling on H1. You understand? We are countering this buy. We are hedging. Hedge. I'm hedging. See? It was, oh, this one we missed. Starting from the week. This one we missed. And price came to that same area. So it gave us a confirmation. We entered here. So now we are targeting this low. Understand?